I'm Himja, and today we are diving into the fascinating world of large language models or LLMs. Have you ever wondered how chatbots understand you or how text suggestions work so well? Well, LLMs are behind the magic. I'll take you through different ways to use them from simple website integrations to advanced AI agents. Along the way, I'll also share the hardware, software requirements, and approximate costs in rupee for each method. So let's get started. So, introduction to LLMs. So, what exactly are LLMs? These are AI systems trained to understand and generate human like text. They can do things like write articles, translate languages, and even help drive chatbots. Models like GPT-4, Llama 2, GPT-Neo, X are some popular examples. The best part, you can use them in almost any project to add a smart and interactive touch. So let's get into some LLM integrations which can be done into various fields such as web or application. Imagine chatting with a website and getting instant human like responses. That's possible when LLMs are integrated into websites and apps. Developers often use frameworks like React or Vue for the front end and to connect LLMs through backend services like Flask or Node.js. This method is great for creating apps that feel alive and responsive. The cost, it can be 0 rupees if self-hosted or 4,000 to 8,000 per month if you are using cloud hosting like AWS or DigitalOcean. Next is application programming interface. Did you know you can access LLMs through simple APIs? Providers like OpenAI, Cohere, and Anthropic offer APIs that let you tap into LLM features without needing to build models from scratch. Whether you are coding in Python or JavaScript, it's as easy as sending a request and receiving AI generated response. The cost depends on the open sources, like for GPT-4 it costs around 2.50 to 10 rupees per 1000 tokens. It's an affordable and efficient way to add AI to your projects. Next is the replication of models using Hugging Face. If you want to go deeper, you can replicate models using Hugging Face, which is a website. They provide a model hub filled with pre-trained models along with tools for customization. With the Transformers library, you can load and fine-tune models to fit your specific needs. It's like getting a car and tuning it to your style. Cost wise, this method is free if you stick to open source models, but if you need a GPU, expect to spend 40,000 to 1,60,000. Now, deploying LLMs on a local server. What if you need to run a LLM offline or want full control over your data? Deploying on a local server is the way you go to. You can use models like Llama 2, GPT-Neo X, along with tools like Flask, Fast API, or Docker. This setup gives you the flexibility to create custom APIs locally, perfect for projects where privacy is a priority. The cost can be ranged from 40,000 to 1,60,000 per month for cloud GPU services. Next is RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Now here's where things get interesting. RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Imagine combining the creativity of LLMs with real-time accurate data. RAG uses external databases to provide contextually relevant responses by integrating tools like LangChain, Pinecone, and Elasticsearch. You can create advanced systems that feel truly intelligent, and software part is free, but setting up a server might cost you between 8,000 to 40,000. Next is fine-tuning LLMs. What if a general purpose LLM isn't enough? You can fine tune it. Fine tuning involves training a base model on your specific data to adapt it to a particular task. Whether using OpenAI's fine tuning API or tools from Hugging Face, this method helps make your model an expert in specific field like healthcare, legal advice, or any niche market. Fine tuning hardware could cost between 40,000 to 1,60,000. Now the next is AI agents. AI agents take LLMs to the next level. These are autonomous systems that not only generate text but can also perform tasks without human intervention. Tools like LangChain, AutoGPT, Agent GPT allow you to build agents that automate scheduling, analyze data, or even complex workflows. It's like having a digital assistant that can think and act depending on your setup. Software costs between 0 to 40,000 rupees. Next is model usage, base model usage. And if you are looking for a quick start, using base models directly is a great option. Without customization, these models are perfect for general tasks like creating, writing, answers, questions, or assisting in research. You simply load the model via an API or library and you're ready to add a smart edge to your applications. So, coming to the conclusion, to wrap it up, we explored various ways to use LLMs from web integration and APIs to advanced AI agents fine tuning. I hope you found this session insightful and are excited to experiment with these powerful tools. Let me demonstrate how to run a large language model or LLM locally on our machine. In this demonstration, we'll be using GPT-2, a popular open source LLM, and will serve it through a Flask based API. To begin with, make sure that all necessary packages are installed. You can do this by running the commands. First, we make sure that we have required environment and the Python we use is up to date, and the Python that I required here is greater than 8.9 version, and I have upgraded it. We also need to install torch, transformers, and flasks. And then these packages include Flask, which is a lightweight web framework for Python, transformers, which provide access to pre-trained models including GPT-2, and torch, which is required for running the model itself. With everything installed, navigate to the directory where application is stored and run server using the command python.app. Here, as you can see, the model I have used here is Yulthar AI GPT-Neo 1.3, and I have given some tokens. I have initialized the model and I have given tokenize a pad token. We have here given the max length, temperature, top, attention mask. You can change the max length and temperature according to yourself. And the prompt I have given here is from here, that is what is here. I have given what is LLM, and this model, once it is installed properly into your local system, it will answer you such as it has given here is, when I asked it what is LLM, this has given me the following response. LLM stands for Learning Management. It's a tool which is used to help companies to improve their performance. So this is how the LLM will run on your local system. Now let's talk about setting up a private LLM network for a company. We'll cover why it matters, what you need, and how to do it in all simple and practical way. Let's dive in. Why a private LLM? Why go private with your LLM? Simple: control, security, and customization. You keep your data safe, adapt the model to your specific needs, and avoid being tied to third party services. Plus, it's perfect for companies with strict compliance requirements. It's all about building a solution that fits like a glove. The requirements are: to set up this, you'll need some robust hardware like powerful servers or cloud infrastructure, and GPUs for smooth performance. On the software side, pick up an LLM like GPT-4 or Llama 2, use hosting tools like FastAPI or Docker, and secure everything with VPNs and firewalls. This ensures you have got the right foundation and safety net in place. Step 4: steps to set up a private LLM. Here's how you do it in 6 quick steps. Pick the right LLM model, set up a secure server or cloud environment, install the needed software and dependencies, deploy the LLM as a REST API so it's accessible internally. Lock it down with authentication and encryption. Test it thoroughly to make sure it's stable and secure. That's it. simple and structured. Next, network configuration. On the network side, set a VPN to keep communications secure, add firewalls, access controls, and monitor network traffic to spot any issues early. These steps create a solid, safe, and private environment for your LLM. Next is the benefits of private LLM. So, what do you get from all this? You gain full control over your data model, ensuring security and compliance. Plus, you can fine tune the model to match your company's unique needs. It's like having a custom made tool that boosts productivity while keeping everything safe. To wrap up, setting up a private LLM and network isn't just about security, it's about creating a tailored solution that offers control and flexibility. I hope this gives a clear and practical understanding of the software. Thank you.